हाय बच्चों, चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं आज की वीडियो। कलर्स नेम: रेड कलर, ऑरेंज कलर, ब्लू कलर, ग्रीन कलर, पिंक कलर, स्काई ब्लू कलर। स्काई ब्लू कलर A for apple, A for apple. Pink color B for ball, B for ball. Orange color C for cat, C for cat. Green color D for dog, D for dog. Red color E for elephant, E for elephant. Blue color F for fish, F for fish. Sky blue color G for grapes, G for grapes. Pink color H for horse, H for horse. Orange color I for ice cream, I for ice cream. Green color J for joker, J for joker, J for joker. Red color K for kite, K for kite. Blue color L for lemon, L for lemon. Sky blue color M for monkey, M for monkey. Pink color N for nose, N for nose. Orange color O for orange, O for orange. Green color P for parrot, P for parrot. Red color Q for queen, Q for queen. Blue color R for rose, R for rose. Sky blue color S for sun, S for sun. Pink color T for table, T for table. Orange color U for umbrella, U for umbrella. Green color V for fan, V for van. Red color W for watch, W for watch. Blue color X for Xmas tree, X for Xmas tree. Orange color Y for yak, Y for yak. Green color Z for zebra, Z for zebra.